Hello, welcome to Time with Sylvia. This is Sylvia, and here I'm about to show you how I prep my chicken that I use for the whole week. Okay, so there we have it. Let's start. I start by cutting my chicken into the sizes that I want. I cut them into quite smaller sizes because I have little ones at home and they'll be consuming this too. So I cut them into smaller sizes so everyone can have a bite of it. If today is your first time on my page, please like, comment and subscribe to my page. Give your little sister, give your big sister, give your friend a follow. So after that, I proceed with the washing and then cleaning my chicken. I washed it with vinegar and then I added lemon to it so that it will have all the stench and every smell that is not good will be off it. And then proceeded with my spices. I'll list all the spices that I used in this video in the description box so you can check them all out so you know the exact name of the spices that I used. I went ahead and blended everything together and then I started marinating the chicken. Okay, so I did it in layers here so that every bit of the chicken will have the mixture of the pepper. Okay, so I put the chicken, then the pepper, the chicken, then the pepper. So every bit of it will have a little bit of the spices in it. Okay, after that I covered it and then I stored this in the fridge for 24 hours. If you don't have much time, you can store it for 2 or 3 hours and then you can use. So this is the next day. Then I come back. I drizzled my baking pan with a little oil. Okay, and then I arranged my chicken on there. And then before putting it in a preheated oven, I drizzled a little bit on top of it so that it won't be too dry after the grilling. So there you have it. After putting this in, I came back and I checked it for about 5 minutes. It was on 250. So I checked and then I reduced it so that it will have time to cook well. So there you have it. You can bag this and use it for rice or any other thing that you want. Bye.